Hi friends, Gunesh here. Today I will show you on how to work with Clownfish Voice Changer. On this video I will cover on how to install Clownfish Voice Changer and how to use it to change your voice. So let's get started. So first what you'd want to do is open any browser you use. I use Microsoft Edge. So on Google just type in Clownfish Voice Changer. Wait for this page to load in. And here you can install the Clownfish Voice Changer. So for that, go to Download and download whichever version you can. So I will be downloading for this video the 64-bit one. Let's click Download. Wait for it to download. So this was the one. Now just wait and let's open the file. Continue with this thing to install it. I can't show you this part though. And after this, click Install. Then you will get this run window pop up, but ignore it for now as your app will install eventually. And then next, and then we can finish it. And now we have installed the Clownfish Voice Changer. It's right there. So let's open it up. But as you can see, when we double click it, we don't see any windows pop up. That's because you have to go down to this arrow here. You will see it's right here. So right click it. So here we can set it up. Click on setup and go to set system integration. Here you will see all the onboard mics you have here. Whichever one I have this onboard one. Install the one you are using for your device. So mine is already installed and it will show all the devices you have, and we can close this tab. So now we have our mic we need. We can right click it again and go set voice changer. So as you can see, we have all of these voices here we can choose from. So we can try out any of these voices by clicking on them, like this helium.
So as you can hear now, my voice is like really high pitched, or we can choose this one.
If you know, it's not the clear effect. To clear all of these effects, you can also set the pitch however you like, and these other like boost, sensitivity, bass, straight, and etc. You can also go into their site and install some plugins if you need more voices here, because we don't have much of a choice here. That's why if you want to add some more voices here, you can go do it by going to the plugins. I will make a video on that too next time. If you also want to change your voice on Discord, like let's just open up Discord right here. So it's actually quite easy. You go here to the settings, go down here to voice and video. Here you will see which microphone or speaker you're using. You can change it to the one you have set for your Clownfish voice changer. So for me, it's this one, onboard mic Intel. And this is quite it. It's that easy to set it. You can also do the microphone test. And so guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing. Bye!